Why you read here Anna? This is question.
That is also a very good question.
Yeah, please answer it, please. Thank you.
I don't think I know full answer, but I think it is because like whenever you see like nun, alif, and then alif, you should um read short,
How?
not long.
Again, please explain. What is rule?
Whenever you see alif sabar and
Okay.
nun with alif sabar, you should read anna.
Okay. So where we have to read Ana? Right? This is good question. Right? Where we have to do short? Where we have to do long? Question, right? Please answer. Please answer.
I don't know.
Oh, very easy answer. I don't know. Okay, wait. I am explaining right now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Question is what? Ana and Ana. Right? Ana and Ana. So, for example, if you see before Noon Alif, Hamza. Can you see Hamza in full shape, like in Hamza shape, like a small ayin, half shape of ayin? If you see like this, then you will say Ana. If you are reading another Hamza, like Alif is also Hamza, right? If you see Alif with Zabar there pesh, so this is called Hamza, right?
1 second, can you please restart? Like, why? Because I am little confused. Like, what alif, hamza?
Listen please. Can you see before Noon Alif there is Alif?
Yes.
So when we read with spell, so there is rule, if you see Alif with Zabar, Zer, Pesh, or two Zabar, two Zer, two Pesh, or Sukun, or with Tashdid, like any symbol, or with Mad, so this Alif will convert into Hamza.
Okay.
Understand? Alif will
Yes.
convert into.
Hamza.
So now this is Hamza. Am I right? Can I say Hamza?
Yes.
Okay. So this is not real Hamza. Okay. But this is Hamza, right?
Yes.
If you see real Hamza like this
Yeah.
before
No.
Nun Alif, so then you will read this Alif. Okay. Like you will mud on that. Understand?
Please. No.
Pay attention, please. Pay attention. I will show examples. If you see before Noon Alif, like this Hamza, like a Alif, so you will not read second Alif, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
I
you
now
will read
understand.
only Noon Zabarna, Ana. Is that clear?
So rule is whenever you see alif like in alif form and then noon with alif, you will cancel out noon with alif and then it will be ana.
Yeah, and simply, if there is Alif, then skip this Alif, okay?
Okay.
If you see before Noon Alif, Alif like this, like this is also Hamza, but you can say Alif, you can say Hamza just for in simplicity. If you see before Noon Alif, like this Alif, so after Noon you will not read Alif. So now there are a lot of examples. Please be ready for answers.
Okay.
Where are you? Examples. Yeah, examples are here. In first example is in Surah Kahf.
I am scared.
Why you scared? Qul innama.
Ana.
Why Ana?
Because whenever you see alif and noon alif zabar a, then you will cancel out second alif.
Hmm, great answer. My next question. Please read from here. yuhyi wa yumitu.
yuhyi wa yumitu. Qala ana uhyi wa umit.
Qala
Ana.
ana or anaa?
Ana.
Why ana? Because
second alif cancels out.
okay, which one is second? This one or this
That
one?
one with noon.
One with noon. No, one is not with noon. Two is with noon. Am I right?
No, like one alif, the alif that is attached to noon.
Look, there is written one, right?
Noon alif savarna.
Okay, so with alif,
that
with noon, which alif is attached? First or second?
Second.
Number one or number two?
Number two.
So which one we will skip or remove? Which alif? One or two?
Two.
Why skip? Because
whenever you see alif and noon, alif savarna like that, then first alif will be said and second alif will be cancelled out.
okay, so my next question, be active, don't be scared. Now there is other example 510. Yes, I got it. Did you see? Do you see? Start please from here. Qalu bala.
Qalu bala. Qalu bala qad ja'ana nasir.
Why you said ana?
Because that is Hamza, not Alif.
And if you see Hamza, then what is rule? We have to read second alif, right?
Yes.
Good, mashallah, great. Very good, wonderful job. Okay, so qad jaa.
Qad ja'ana nasir.
Okay, now is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now there is one more point. One more point is this Hamza is a part of previous letter. Understand?
Oh.
That's why we will read Nun Zabar Alif Na. This is another letter. Okay? Not a part of previous letter. Understand?
Yes.
Look it. Ja'a. You know we read in Nurani Qaeda Ja'a, Sha'a, Ji'a. Right? Remember?
Yes.
One second. Nurani Qaeda, come here. Yes, Nurani Qaeda is here. Examples. Do you know any page number of that example?
I think page number 2.
Maybe. I think this page. Please find examples.
Ja'a.
Why all longer? Ja'a. Right?
I instead of like saying ja'a, I said ja'a.
Yeah, that's
like when the next alif.
Ji'a.
Ji'a.
This one.
What one? Sha'a.
Yeah, Sha'a. So next one is Na, right? So there Ja'a Na. Just example in the Holy Quran. Understand? So this Hamza is a part of previous letter. That's why this letter is not Ana. Understand? Letter. You know, Ana and Ana different. I understand or not? Ana and Ana. What's happening there? Print. No need to print. So
Ana will be like very fast, and Ana is like next word is long.
Yeah, actually this word is not Ana. In the Holy Quran, wherever you see Ana, like with alif, so you will read Ana. Okay? For example, if you see like this letter, this is jaa, not ana or not ana. Okay, this is actually jaa,
Jana.
na nadir. Understand?
Ja'ana Nasir.
Yeah. So now look next page. Now I need answer on this line. Please read. Wa innama.
وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
Yeah, long or not? Stretching or not stretching?
Not stretching.
Why? Because
If noon is with second alif, if there is alif sabar and noon alif sabar, then when you will read it, second alif will cancel out.
yeah. Now look it. Another example. Another explanation. Look it. This hamza, this alif is not a part of previous letter, right? Can you say wa innama? This letter is complete. Not wa innama, right?
Yes.
So wa innama is separate, ana is separate, and nadir is separate. These three letters are all three separate letters. Okay. So today class was actually about ana and
Ana.
yeah. So is this clear or not? Not yet.
Yes.
Okay. So now again explain please about this one.
This one is because Hamza is with previous word.
Yeah.
But also because it is
Aadha
Hamza
bhi
and not
ek minute
Alif.
Okay. So is that clear?
Yes.